How you doing, everybody? Right, I don't know where I got this lock out of, but I've got it out somewhere. Um, Probably bought it at the local store. It's supposed to be a four lever. Now it's called a Silverline. This is something you don't get in America, I believe. Now, see, it's supposed to be four lever. That's not lock, but it's not. If any of you ever get this lock, you're buying rubbish. You're buying the same sort of lock. Well, it's not as bad as our one our day now, but this one has to have a pick. I guess that's it. No, it's not quite. Don't know why. That should be it open. Aye, it is. That's it opened. Didn't turn it around hard enough. Now there was two levers not there. So if any ever go to the shops and are trying to buy chip locks, don't waste your money on chip locks. I don't know what this cost me. I hope it didn't cost me a pile of money, more than a couple of quid, or as you used to say in America, a couple of dollars. It's a piece of rubbish. So, if ever a beginner's lock, if anybody wants this as a beginner, I throw it in my beginner section. No, over there. So, right, everybody. I'm just adding this to my videos, my video collection. So that's 79 now, I think. So take care, right? And have a great week, by the way. Bye bye.